कैच होने वाले हैं वो, और वसीम राजा ने स्क्वेरिश मैदान पर ये कैच लिया। इस स्ट्रोक को मोहल्ले की भाषा में लप्पा कहते हैं। That's 4 runs. Doesn't Harvey. Harvey out. Caught Asif Iqbal. बगैर गेंद के ऊपर आए, उन्होंने ड्राइव करने की कोशिश की, गेंद पॉइंट पर गई, कवर से भागा आसिफ इकबाल, गेंद के नीचे आए और इस तरह घाबरी 36 रन बनाने के बाद आउट। Sikandar dropped that catch, one will never know. I think the sun got into his eye and he missed it completely. That's got it. Can Raja get it? No, he can't. And they take 2. And that's a 4. Out caught behind. और गेंद के ऊपर पूरी तरह के साथ 4 रन ओवर बाउंड्री पर। पाकिस्तान 6, माजिद खान 4, अवसर नजर 1।
Roger Binny to Majid.
Time that he's got the wicket of Zaheer in succession. They just faced 7 balls when Binny bowled Zaheer. Lucky 4 runs. Miyazad LBW. Wasim Raja goes in to bat. We have his statistics there for you in 26 tests, an average of 37.25. Your comments.
Just seemed little. Even Yadad felt that he was out because he shifted his left leg outside the line very quickly. And you're right, of course, that he does shuffle across and he is bound to get into trouble if a ball keeps low and cuts back, as this one did a little bit. Now Gavaskar will give him a...
इस बार टाइमिंग करने में सफल और खाली स्थान जो कि एक्स्ट्रा कवर का, उसका भी फायदा उठाने में सफल।
be 4 runs. That should be 4 runs. Half volley outside the off stump and driven through extra cover.
सजाते और संवारते हुए और हवा जमीन दोनों पर जीतना पड़ता है, लेकिन हवा में जरूर जीत हुई दोषी की, लेकिन जमीन पर और चौहान का इलाज ड्रेसिंग रूम में चल रहा है. Forward short leg पे विंग सर्कल.
Wasim Bari, you know.
52 टेस्ट खेले हैं वसीम बारी ने, 981 रन बनाए हैं और 85 उनका सर्वाधिक स्कोर है. भारत के विरुद्ध लाहौर में 1978 में 5 बारी उन्होंने 50 रन और उन्हें 19 रनों की आवश्यकता है. और ये है शिवलाल यादव. और इस बार इमरान ने इस गेंद को, जो आम मोहल्ले की भाषा में कहा जाता है, लपेटा गेंद को मिड विकेट की तरफ 4 रन के लिए. और आसिफ इकबाल, कॉटन बोर्ड यादव काफी आगे ओवर होगा. मिड ऑफ और कवर और ये गेंद
Gavaskar bulldozes. Gavaskar's 50th test catch in his 59th test. 116 for 7.
Bound to be a bit harder ball than the one that you replaced it with. Rubbing it on the ground. An appeal, very confident appeal for a catch. Next.
आगे कैच कपिल देव के हाथ से निकला. चौहान के पास से निकाली है. शर्मा उसका पीछा कर रहे हैं. 4 रन. शर्मा ने बाउंड्री लाइन से लगभग 10 गज अंदर गेंद रोकी.
And this could be his double. 4 runs. And Bari has achieved what every wicketkeeper in the world would like to achieve. A wicketkeeper's double. 136 for 7 now. 4. And Kader opens his account with a 4.
Very confident appeal for a caught behind. But umpire Hanuman Rao remaining unmoved. bowled by Yadav for 23.
इस विकेट की तलाश को भारत को मिली और विश्वनाथ से कैच छुटा हालांकि बैकफुट पैक स्लैश कैच बाय कासिम ने
Can Yashpal stop it? Impossible. 4 runs. Singularly fortunate. 4 runs. 20 with his fourth 4 is covered. 160 for 9 Pakistan.
We get 4 runs. Sikandar shuffling slightly forward, right in front of his stump. He's out LBW. So Pakistan at the stroke of lunch.
A good ball. Good dive and good.
The ball moved in very sharply indeed. And that's the end of Chetan Chauhan. What a lovely ball.
So India lose their first wicket in the second innings at 5. Chetan Chauhan bowled Muzaffar, no score. And that's 4 runs. Ball almost rolled on to the stumps after hitting Gavaskar in the pad.
What Zahir? ये गेंद पिछली गेंद की तरह है लेकिन इतनी ज्यादा नहीं
Unlikely.
This time the South African get runs. Zahir cutting it off. Deep mid wicket. That's 4 runs. Good sweep. Confident appeal. Turned down. From where we are situated, I think Wingstarker's bat was a bit away from the line of the ball.
और विश्वनाथ आउट और विश्वनाथ सोचा कि गेंद ब्रेक से निकली को नीचे रह गए इसे फ्लिक करना चाहते थे और अपने आप को स्टंप के सामने था इस तरह भारत की तीसरी विकेट 97 के स्कोर पर गेंद कितनी नीचे रह गई थी
Oh my God.
और ये कादिर का निशाना ठीक नहीं लगा को देखा जाए तो जिस तरह से रन मर रहे हैं तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये चीज़ ठीक नहीं है। और दिलीप वेंकटेश्वर राव, वसीम बारी ने बहुत अच्छा कैच किया। ये गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर थी, बिना बातों उन्होंने छेड़खानी करने की कोशिश की और नतीजा भुगता उन्होंने कि कैच वसीम बारी के हाथ में, जो कि पहले स्लिप की तरफ जा रहा था, अपने दाएं तरफ कलाबाजी खाते हुए लिया। आंकड़े 1345 रन।
Very nasty first ball for any man to receive. Germany almost giving a return catch. Wasim Raja is after it. Got into the right hand of Raja and out again.
He's out, yes. Yashpal was walking, then somehow he waited, and umpire Ramaswamy had no hesitation in declaring him out. He's trying to sweep. That ball must have pitched in the rough, and Yashpal getting a faint edge onto the pad, and then Majid taking the catch at slip. Coming back, no. They were thinking.
Kapil Dev out.
He's still there. He will try and score off Iqbal Qasim. It is not easy by any means.
Qasim to Kirmani. And he should be out on that one. Asif Iqbal getting the catch. So Kirmani trying to go for the big hit is got Asif and India lose their 7th wicket. Tiger. And he's out. Got behind. Zaghi very annoyed with himself. And Qasim gets another wicket.
He caught cotton ball. Beautiful catch by Sikandar. So Binny gets a pair. There's one. That's it, stumped by Yard. Yadav is out, and India bowled out for 160. What a remarkable collapse. 7 wickets gone for 43 runs. Got 7 wickets for 5 runs, but India must be extremely disappointed lost today.
बगैर टोपी के और माजिद खान टोपी लगा हुआ हमने ये पहली गेंद स्लिप्स और गली के बीच में से निकाल दी गई और ये बाहर की तरफ सिंगल होती हुई डिलीवरी कट किया उन्होंने 4 रन मैन बाउंड्री पे बिनी ने गेम को उठाया
Binny is off it. And a lovely throw coming in. Look at that throw. 3 on the wicket. That ball would have knocked his middle stump out of the ground. So Pakistan lose their first wicket for 16. Wicket. Goes in to play his 36th second innings. That's his average there.
That was in the air, but wide of Ghavri. Very nearly played on. Two opinions about that one. He was on the back foot, wrapped on his left leg.
Again, under eye, बाहर को जा रहे हैं. Zainabad, bowled Kapil Dev.
And his bat and his pad and struck his leg stump. He was unfortunate.
What a shot. Over to Zen. Wasim Raja out. Shot Venchata. बहुत ही खूबसूरत शॉट निकला.
And Asif has decided to hit Kapil. Yashpal off it. From forward short leg wrist. That would be 4 runs. Past the diving Chauhan. Chauhan may have just got his hand through that ball. It's not a catch or anything, it's along the ground.
तो डीप बैकवर्ड कर लेता घाबरी और पीछे. और इस बार जावेद को ज़्यादा पता नहीं लगा. गेंद नीचे रही लेकिन जब बल्ले का कोने ले गई बहुत ही तेजी से भाग. फिर इस बार स्वीप किया उन्होंने. डीप बैकवर्ड को लेकर आसिफ इकबाल आउट. ये वही जगह थी जहाँ से गेंद उछलती है. ये हर्ष और उल्लास का वातावरण और ये निराशा और शोक की प्रतिमा. पाकिस्तान 90. जर्मानी से हाथ से निकल गया. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की थी उन्होंने लेकिन गेंद उनके ग्लव्स पे लगने के बाद उसे वो बंद नहीं कर पाए मुट्ठी को अपनी.
And that could have almost have been full. Hit Yashpal and Kirmani made a tremendous effort to catch that ball. This would have been a remarkable catch if he had caught it. extra cover. 100 of Pakistan, 5 for Imran, 103 now. And he does. High goal. And it comes into the commentator's box. Bang. 6. Right turns all right. Inside the commentator's box. There it is. It went as high as one could have imagined that ball to have gone and landed 5 yards to the right of Tiger Patodi. Imran 15 now. 1 6 and 2 4. 113 for 5. Endo Yadav's over. 14 runs off it. 3 overs for 27 runs. He really hoisted that ball, didn't he, Tiger?
Yes,
I've seldom seen a ball go that high for a six.
yes, in fact, it wasn't right in the center of the bat, which is why it went so high. I think if it had been hit right in the center, it would have come much lower and much faster. This thing climbed into the sky.
Straight, but straight to cut. And I think Ghavri lost sight of the ball. Because Ghavri, in last moment, it is coming towards him. I think he lost sight of it. 4 runs to Javed. 34, his fifth for Pakistan, 117 for 5.
In that. And it has been pulled. 4 runs.
2 bounds, 3 bounds.
Slightly short, and Miandad was an extremely strong cutter and puller. In absolutely perfect position to pull that with a short arm pull to mid-wicket for 4. 9. 6.
इमरान ने स्वीप किया वो 4 रन के लिए दोनों जावेद और इमरान इस स्ट्रोक में काफी सफल और काफी रन लेने में कामयाब इमरान आउट फॉर गावस्कर बल्ले के हैंडल से लगते 3 पॉइंट पर गए गावस्कर विकेट 43 मिनट तक विकेट पर रहे का लगाया और 2 चौके और कुल मिलाकर उन्होंने 28 रन इमरान ने 19 रन
59 with a 7-4, 160 for 6 Pakistan. That was an arm ball. Let's ask Tiger, Pakistan, 161 for 7, Bari, LBW Doshi for 3, finishes it.
That's 4 runs. Kapil took evasive action. That ball jumped up. Qadir at the last moment changing his stroke. And if Kapil had been standing in his normal position.
दक्षिणाज के हाथ से ये कैच निकल गया 4 रन आगे खेले जैसे कि स्लो अंपायर के निर्णय से सहमत नहीं पाकिस्तान 178 8 विकेट पर
Man to dislodge. Anyway, Qasim is the one who's facing Doshi. Pakistan. 181 for each.
Okay. He's caught. That's an easy catch. Vengsaka accepts it. On 189 for 9, Tiger. To get one down to Yashpal. He's out caught.